Pork's been working decent for us, but one thing that I always hear you talk about is variety, having variety on your farm. What's some recommendations? 10, 15 acres. What would your variety look like on a setup like that?
Yeah, well, of course, I'm a fan of chickens. So if you can run
Gotcha.
pigs on 15 acres, you could run chickens on 15 acres as well. At 600 chickens per acre, that'd be 9,000 chickens. And that would gross in about $180,000 at a 30% margin is going to give you 54,000 to your overheads. That would not diminish the pork at all. That's just simply adding another whole stackable enterprise.
If we wanted to throw cows into the mix, what would the system look? We'd have the pigs going through. I think if we can just get a couple cows in the mix, I'd like to add as many as possible. But on 15 acres, what would your system look like? How many cows would you have on 15 acres?
Well, I mean, I'm not in the Mojave Desert, so I expect if you have two, you're probably going to have all the cows you can handle. At least for now. We keep one cow per acre, but we're in a 30-inch rainfall area, so it makes a big difference. But yeah, certainly a couple of cows, that would be fine.
Okay. And would you run the cows ahead of the pigs, or how would you just rotate them in? My question more so is, how would you use the cows in your system?
The cows are not going to want soiled grass, so you're going to want to run them ahead of any of the omnivores. The cows are always going to run ahead of the omnivores. And in nature, omnivores always follow herbivores. So whether you run them ahead of the chickens or ahead of the pigs or both or a combination of those, that's fine.
Do you feel like right now is a good time to become a farmer?
For sure. And in fact, in many ways, I think that today is better than it's ever been. I've never been more optimistic about farming as I am right now. I mean, we're just exploding. People are coming and lots of neat things happening.